Okay. Now, so see here, everybody observe please. Here, we discussed yesterday about all these applications, right? So yesterday we discussed all these applications, finding maximum and minimum. Again, power of an element, binary search, merge sort, quick sort, selection procedure. Okay, and stress matrix multiplication, all these things we discussed, and so topological sorting. So whatever the things I marked here, and those are all belongs to our syllabus. Okay, we will check all those things. If possible, I will do everything. Don't worry. So if I get some time, I will go to finish all these things. Don't worry about this. Okay. Now see everyone. So we will go to start with the first one. Okay. So I will what I will do. Okay. Let's start with the first one. What is that? First one is nothing but finding. What is that? Finding maximum and minimum. Okay, now so what we are doing? So we're going to write what is maximum, what is minimum in this particular array like that. First, take it input. I'm talking about input here. Input. Okay. So what is the input you are going to give? An array of n distinct elements. N distinct elements. So we will going to take an array with the distinct elements. Again, what is the outputs are finally? We have to say the output also, right? So that one I will going to say output. Here for output, what I will going to do? So if I take an array n distinct elements, what is the final output? I will going to get it. I will going to get the maximum and minimum. So that's what find max, nothing but maximum and minimum. Okay, na? So this is our goal. What is our goal is finding maximum and minimum. How we will going to do that one? By using array. So what is that array? It consists n distinct elements. This one. Again, finally, what we will going to find? Maximum and minimum we will going to find here. And one important thing, please understand here, everybody. One important thing in this particular one, this finding maximum and minimum is there, na? Okay, finding maximum and minimum is there, na? This program, this program, entire your lifelong, I'm telling you very clearly, this one, lifelong you will going to get it. Lifelong part. That's why I'm taking a lot of time to do this. Okay, lifelong you will going to get this. Finding maximum and minimum. Example, you take it as marks. Okay, wherever you go, you will going to find maximum and minimum, right? Everywhere, every place, you will going to find this. That is the reason why lifelong you will going to see this. If you are a software engineer, lifelong you have to do this. There is no option at all, first of all. Okay, so I will going to start with the example. Let's take an example. Array A, this here, array A. Okay, array A. Everybody getting? Array A, I am taking. Array A, I am taking here. I will going to take the values something like this. Everybody observe here. I will going to take the values something like this. 80, 15, 200. Okay, 11. I'm going very detailed. Be careful. I'm going very detailed. 250. Again 13. Again 99. Again 700. again 3, again 115. These are the elements. Okay, now I will going to say indices, nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear everyone? These are all elements. I'm telling you, these are all elements. Okay, these are all indexes. No need to get confused. Okay. Or you can call this one as indices or serial number. No problem. Serial number. Okay. So this is currently what is the array name? That is A. Here, please observe here, everybody. What I am trying to do with this array. You can ask me, sir, you wrote an array. That's fine. What you are trying to do in this? Please tell me, sir. That's what exactly I wanted to talk to you people. I'm taking this array, because the reason is, see in this, there are so many elements are there. Okay. 18, 15, 200, 11, 250, 13, 99, 700, 3, 115. All the elements, so many elements are there. Okay. And index is starting from 1 and ending at 10. Now, my intention is here. My aim is, please understand, my aim is, or my agenda. What is this? My agenda is very simple. Take minimum, find the minimum, again find the maximum. That is my ideology here. Getting everyone? So what exactly I want to do? These many elements are there, indices are there. I wanted to identify what is the minimum and what is the maximum. That is what exactly I have to do. Now, initially, please observe this one, everybody. Initially, what I will going to do? I will going to divide like this array. I will going to consider this array, this much array. And this indices number 1. You can able to see index number 1. Consider max element. Everybody observe here. Consider max element is equal to 80. Okay, consider this one. Again, consider this minimum is equal to 80. First element, whatever the first element is there, both the elements you consider, this element you consider as a maximum, you consider as a minimum. Clear everyone? I taken one array. Okay. In the first index, whatever the element is there, that element you take it as a maximum. Again, whatever the element is there in first index, take that one as a minimum also. Okay. Now, okay, sir. For this, now tell me, for this, am I dividing the array? No. Am I dividing the array? This array, am I dividing to consider this one? Not at all. Okay. I think everybody got it. Why I taken 80? Why I taken 80 here minimum? So why I'm taking, the reason is here. I will going to consider this one after from this. Okay, from next index, I will start comparing each and every one with this particular index. That is what exactly I will do now. For example, now here, we know that. Please observe this one. Everybody, please observe. Please carefully observe here. So we have a max. Yes or not? We have a max. That value is equal to 80. Again, we have a minimum. That value is equal to 80. Okay, consider this one like this. Okay, now consider like this. Now, please observe what I'm doing here. First, you check it. Okay, what is the max value? Okay, this one is, leave this one. This is a I value. You consider this one as a J value. So from here, this is a I value. From here, this is a J value. Now, max value is 80 we have taken. Minimum value is equal to 80 we have taken. Sorry for that. Now, what I will going to do, I will going to compare this first index. Please understand here. Everybody, please observe here. I will going to compare with this first index with this particular maximum. Okay. So what is the maximum right now? 80 is there. Okay. This maximum will be compared with this particular index, that is 2. Getting everyone? Nothing but what is the, sir? Okay, we understood very clearly. What is the code? A of I. See here, everybody. A of I is what is currently? A of I is equal to 80. 80. Okay. greater than or equal to max, greater than max. Check it, check this one, compare this one. I will going to write the code, don't worry right now, just I'm showing. A of I is currently 80, greater than, what is the max value? 15. Is it true? False. Yes or not? Is it true? False. So that is the reason why what we're going to do here, very simple thing you need to understand here. When I compare 80 with 15, which is maximum here? 80 is maximum. Forget about this one, 15. Okay, done. Again, compare 80 with 200, which is maximum. 200 is maximum. That's why cancel this 80, write the 200 here. Again, compare this 200 with this particular 11, which is maximum. 200 is maximum. Leave this 11. Again, compare 200 with 250, which is maximum. 250 is maximum. Delete this one, 250. Make this one as a maximum here. What is the maximum value? 250. Updated. Updated. Again, compare 250 with 13, which is maximum. 250 is maximum. Leave it. 99 with 250. 250 is maximum. Leave it. Again, compare with 250 with 700. What is the maximum here? 700. Update it. 700. Okay. Like that also. Here also you can able to do same thing. Same thing you can able to see. 80 with 15, which is maximum. 15 is maximum. Please update here. Okay. Again 200 with 15, which is minimum here. Sorry, you have to go with the minimum. Minimum here. What is that? 200 is not a minimum here. 15 is the minimum. Leave it. Again compare with 11. Okay, 11 is the minimum here. Update it. 250, 11. 11 is the minimum. 13 with 11. 11 is the minimum. 99 with 11. 11 is the minimum. 700 with 11. 11 is the minimum. 3 with 11. 3 is the minimum. Again 115 with 11. Okay, again 3 is the minimum here. Again we compared with 700 here. Yes or not? Up to 700 we compared. Again check 700 with 3, which is maximum. 700. Compare with this one, 115, which is maximum. 700 is the maximum. Now, please observe here. Everybody, please observe here. I will go to write a code. Don't worry. So what is the maximum? We got it. Maximum value is equal to 700. Sorry, here some glitch is there. Maximum value is equal to 700. Again, minimum value is equal to, what is that? 3. We got it or not? We got it or not? That is with one search I am able to find this. Yes or not? With one search I am able to find maximum and minimum. We are getting the maximum value as well as minimum value. We can able to see. Let's write a code for this. Everybody observe here. Let's write a code for this. Please observe everybody. Let's write a code for this. See now. So basically see here, every time when you are taking an array, inputs is required or not? Suppose example, take that. What is that? Maximum. Function is what? Everybody please observe. What is the function? Maximum. Maximum is a function. That is what exactly I wanted to identify. If you want to identify the maximum function, we already know that. What is the input here? Input, I told you very clearly, it is n distinct elements. Nothing but you should have an array. Array, where is array is there, but you have to say the starting point, ending point, right? So that is the reason why. So we have taken one function that is called it as maximum function. Array is what? That a, correct? Array starts from where? Yeah, 1. Again ends at what? N. Okay na? Everybody okay with this? Everyone okay? Fine. This is okay. Now nothing but here n is nothing but number of elements. Okay. So it's starting from 1 and then n is the number of elements. Already we have counted the number of elements 1 to 10. That's why n is value is 10 here. So starting index is 1, ending index is 10. That's what I am talking about. Maybe you people say that sir n minus 1. No, nothing like that. Already we have taken the values. That is the reason why I'm writing n. Okay. Now see here. Example, I told you very clearly. So I got an array. A array I got it. You can able to go to the previous here. So I have an array. So already I fixed the value. What is that fixed the value? This is, suppose think like that. If this is an array, I fixed the a of I. Suppose think like that. This is what exactly I'm talking about. A of I, what is there? Oh, a of I is nothing but what? 80. A of I is nothing but what? 80. Nothing but I fixed the value. What is that? For maximum as well as minimum. How to write the code for this? Please understand how to write the code for this. Very simple. What is that? Max is equal to, please everybody observe here. Max value is equal to, again minimum value is equal to, what is that? 80. Correct? 80 is nothing but what? A of I or not? 80 is nothing but what? A of I or not? That is the reason why instead of writing 80, I will write A of I. Clear? That's it. That's it. Everybody okay? Now, so we got the values. I initialize the values. A of I is the value that is actually you can able to see that one 80 is there. That is the value I have given here. Okay. Now I will going to compare. I will going to verify which one is greater. For that I have to write the code or not. That is the reason why what I will going to do. I will going to use the for loop here. For see here everybody. So to compare the array, see here, that is what I told you. There is an array, okay, starting from 1, again ending at 10, yes or not? Now, one value I have given to a of I. Again, we have to start from 2 or not? We have to start from 2 or not? That is the reason why int, okay, here, see here, everybody, I is equal to 2, okay, up to where? I is less than or equal to n, up to 10, okay, again, I plus plus. Correct or not? Correct or not? Okay, so if you are able to understand this one, now see here, what I will going to do, sir, okay, we understood all these things. You given the value 80 value for maximum and minimum by default value, and you are starting from index 2, again, you will going to compare with that particular first index. So how you will going to do with one search? Very simple. See here, everybody, if everybody observe here, please list these lines, everybody please observe. If a of I, see here, a of I, correct, a of I is nothing but what? If you go to that particular slide, 80 is greater than max. Check it. What is the max value? 80. Yes or not? Check it. Yes or not, guys? Please check it. Okay. This is what we have to observe here. Okay. This is what we have to observe here. So whatever the value, I value is actually 2. You can see a of 2. What is the value? Some value is there. That value with compare with this maximum value. If it is greater, please see here, if this value a of I and a, no, what is the what do you mean by a of I? I value is equal to 2 here, a of 2 greater than max. Check it. Check it. If this is greater, okay, update the max value. Please understand, update the max value. How to update the max value? Very simple. How to update the max value? Max is equal to a of I. That's it. Correct or not? That's it. Whatever the value you have, give to that max. Over. Okay, sir. This one we understood. For max value, you did okay, no problem. What about minimum, sir? Sure, I will do for that also. See here, else. Go to the else part. Again, here also same thing. If a of I less than minimum, check it. Whatever the value you will going to take it, if it is less than, okay, then it will going to check it. Then suppose this value compared to this, if it is less, what we are going to do? We have to update the minimum value or not. That's why minimum is equal to min is equal to a of I. Compared to this value, if this is the very lesser, means what we have to do? We have to update. That's why this value I will going to give to minimum. That's what exactly I'm doing here. Now everybody okay? Everyone okay or not? See, very small code from here to here. Very small code, simple code. That's it, nothing else. Correct or not? Okay. And finally, what you will going to return? Finally, what you will going to return? I will going to return something. What is that? Return. What is that? Maximum and minimum. Maximum and minimum. This is what exactly I will go to return here. Okay, close it. This is the small code you have. You can see this one. This is the small code I am writing for finding maximum and minimum. Very easy. Suppose think like that. That is what exactly I am telling you. I will go to take the values, something like values I will take. Right now I will take the values here. I will take the values here. Here I will take 80, 50, 200, 11, 250. Just I will go to verify. We'll get it. 30, 99, 700. I'm going very detailed. That's why 3 and 115. Now So we have 80 already. I initialized the value 80. Yes or not? Now I am starting from here. That's what for loop says, that here we are very clear. So what is that? A of I is equal to, currently A of I is equal to 80. We know that. That is what is, we will call it as max and minimum. You know this. Now you can check it here. Suppose A of 2 is nothing but, what is that? Here 15. 15 is greater than 80. No, that's why where it will go. It will go to the else part. Yes or not? It will go to the else part or not? That is what I showed you, people. That is what exactly I showed you here. Okay, maximum value is equal to what? 80. Minimum value is equal to what? 80. Right now 80. That's what. First iteration you check it. I value is equal to 2. A of 2. Okay, what is the A of 2? A of 2 is 15. 15 is greater than max. Is it true? A max value is what? 80. No, max is greater. That's why what, where it will go? It will go to the else part. Which one it will going to update? It will going to update the minimum value this now, right now. A of I is what? Currently 80. Less than, okay, what is this value? See here, what is this value? Okay, minimum value is 15. Please observe everybody. A of I, currently check it. What is that A of I? I value is 2. Okay, A of 2, what is the value right now? 15 here. You will get 15 here. Again, what is the minimum value? 80. So 15 is less than minimum. Is it true? Yes, absolutely true. 15 is less than minimum. That's why what I will going to do. I will going to update 80 with 15. Delete this and 15. Make it 15. That's it. Like this. You will going to give the values. Okay. Next one you see. Next one. This is over. Complete for loop is completed or not? Again, increment will going to happen. Again, you check it. I value will become 3. Now, A of 3. What is this right now? 200 greater than max. Is it true or not? Absolutely true. Okay, then what we have to do? A of I is what? 200. 200 compared to 200, 80 is lesser. That's why update here. 80 gone, 200 here. Updated. This is what exactly I'm talking. And see the scenarios here. Everybody please observe. See the scenario. Case 1, I will going to say. Case 1. If all these values, are in ascending order, okay, only this will going to execute. Okay, if all these values are descending order, only this will go to execute. Yes or not? If every values are ascending order, if it is in ascending order, first it will go to execute this one. Again, if every value is in descending order, this will go to execute, else part will go to execute. And one more important thing you have to understand. So this, okay, it will go to execute in this way, but this for loop, how many times it will go to execute it? How many times it will go to execute? Totally, it will go to execute. How many times means n minus 1 times it will go to execute. N minus 1 times it will go to execute. Maybe you can ask me, sir, have you wrote the program? No, this is an algorithm. Please see here. Algorithm. This is an algorithm. I'm not writing any code here. Just an algorithm. No, but clarity is there in this algorithm. But when you go to see the previous one, everybody observe here. I have made a lot of things. See the previous one here. I am talking about. Is there any clarity in this? Is there any clarity in this? No, not at all clarity is there. Why? Because it's an abstract algorithm. I told you very clear. It's an abstract algorithm. Just it says some details, not exactly what exactly we are doing. Okay, that is the reason why it is called it as an abstract algorithm compared to that one. But here you can see, but here it is not like that. There is some clarity. Okay, this is the what kind of algorithm you can say. I will going to say that very clearly. It is a straight maximum algorithm. Straight maximum algorithm, because no glitches, nothing is there here. On some code is there. Again, it is saying that what exactly it is there. Everything it is showing very clearly. So that's why I will say that it is a straight maximum algorithm. Everything it is showing very clearly what exactly we will do, what exactly is happening, everything we are getting here. So that is the reason why such kind of codes you have to understand, you have to write it. This is a small algorithm I written for what is this? Maximum and minimum. Straight maximum and minimum. Very simple code. Again, for this one also, there are a lot of things are there. I will go to show you right now. Okay, there are a lot of things are there. I will go to show you now, right now. Don't worry. Okay. So in this, when you see this one, everybody you can able to see here. Okay. So you people are understood, you are taking greater than or equal to all those things, everything you people understood, but there is a more than that we have to understand now. I told you so many people are writing best case, worst case, all those things. Now please observe everybody. Now please observe everybody right now. Okay, now see. I will say best case. Here best case. So best case is nothing but what? Example for best case, I will going to tell you what exactly we are talking, why we are talking about best case here. Reason is very simple. Minimum time. Yes or not? We are looking for minimum time. Minimum time. What is that? Comparison. Comparison. Only minimum time of comparison is required. Yes or not? We should not exceed the time. That is the reason why minimum time. How much time it will going to take? Basically one time. What is the array size? 1 n minus 1. Yes or not? When you will going to find this one? If it is in increasing order, if it is in increasing order, only one time comparison is enough. Yes or not? Only one time is comparison is enough. Nothing but from year to year, one time comparison is enough. And n minus 1 is the size of the array. One time comparison is more than enough to identify maximum and minimum. So that's why I will say that for best case, what is the time complexity is nothing but that is very simple. That is equal to n minus 1. Yes or not? One comparison is required. This is what we call it as comparison. Okay, one comparison for this particular array. I think you people are clear. This is the best case. Okay, worst case. Worst case. I'm talking about worst case. Worst case. Sir, what is this worst case? Maximum amount. Okay, please hear everybody. Maximum time or comparison it is taking. Comparison. Maximum time or comparison it is taking. Yes or not? See, if it is taking lot of time to compare each and every element, okay, then what happens? Two times, every time I wanted to compare, two times I have to go and I have to check it. When you will going to find this one? This is in decreasing order. Suppose you give the value. Suppose 15, you check it. Go to the 15. It will going to check 15 greater than max, 80 actually max. Okay, what it will going to do? First comparison, it will going to check. Again, actually this one will this condition will become 0, nothing but false. Again it will come. Again it will come here. Nothing but two comparisons I am doing. Two comparisons I am doing. For first comparison, only one comparison I will going to do to identify the max. Okay, what I will going to do? Only one comparison. When if it is in ascending order, something like 700, like that. Think like 700, 600, 500. If it is like this, will I go to the else part? No, not at all. It will not go to the else part. If suppose think like that, I have a series like this. What is that series? Something like 5, 2, 3, 1. So it will going to check. Every time it will become false, 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 false. If it will going to become false, where it will go? It will go to the else part. Nothing but two comparisons are happening for this particular array. That is the reason why 2 into n minus 1. That is what I said. 1 into n minus 1 for increasing order. Please understand here. Increasing order. Input is increasing order. That is what I told you here. Okay, this one. If it is in decreasing order, for decreasing order. Decreasing order. If it is in decreasing order, how many comparisons it will take? It will going to do two comparisons. First, it will going to check if it is files, it will come to the else part. Nothing but two comparisons it is doing here for what? This particular array, n minus 1. So that's why worst case is equal to what exactly? See here, 2 into n minus 1. That's it. Okay. Clear? I think everyone understood. Now, if you are able to understand this one, see this magic. Average case. Average case. For average case, what you will going to do? First comparison one time. Please here, first comparison for particular array 1 into n minus 1. Okay. Again divide by 2 plus 2 into n minus 1. Just a minute. 2 into n minus 1 divide by 2. Okay, na? Now please understand here. What happens here is exactly n minus is RNA. What I'm doing exactly, I will going to do this one comparison. Okay, one time. Again, this one we will going to do 2 time comparisons. Yes or not? Then totally what you will going to get it? 3. Okay, 3 by 2. Yes or not? 3 by 2. This is common actually. I'm taking common here. Okay, 3 by 2 into n minus 1. So totally what is the average case? You will going to get it 1.5 into n minus 1. For this particular array, this is the time it is taking. This is what we call it as average case. Clear? Sir, I'm not able to understand this average case. Take one more example. See here. See the one more example. If you are not able to understand, suppose think like that. 10 elements are there like this. Okay, 10 elements are there. So one is 1 dot n minus 1 divided by 10 because 10 elements, na, that's why. Okay, second one n minus 1 per second, just I'm taking, divide by 10. 3 n minus 1 divide by 10. You will going to get the indexes, that's why I'm writing. So for 10th element, just for 10th element I'm talking about here like this, n into n minus 1, n minus 1 into divide by 10. Okay, na? Now see, everybody observe here. When I go to this one, when I do like this, what happens here? N minus 1 into, everybody see here, n minus 1 into divide by 10. I'm taking common here. So what you will going to get it? 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus, like this, up to 10. Correct or not? Now, what is this exactly? Sum of natural numbers or not? Sum of natural numbers or not? Exactly, it is a sum of natural numbers. What you will going to get it? N minus 1 divided by 10. Okay, so what is that? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. That is what exactly what you are going to get the value. 10 into 11. Okay, divide by 2 you will go to get it. 10 cancels. Yes or not? 10 cancels. Now 2 divided 11 divided by 2. What is the value you will going to get it? 5.5. Okay, into what is that? N minus 1. For this particular array, this much time it is taking. That is what exactly I told you. That's it, nothing else. This is the worst case. This is the worst case I'm talking. Nothing but every time, if all the conditions are if, okay, every time it will take if like that. So that time we will going to see this. Okay. Again, I told you. Yeah. Please tell me. Ask. Any problem? Hello. Aspa. Hello guys. 1 minute.